Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan, and in today's video we are going to be doing a beauty haul unboxing. I recently went online shopping for beauty products again. Surprise, surprise. Because if you saw my last video, I was actually shopping for Asian skincare products off of Amazon. And since that video, I found out about another platform or website called Lila Beauty, or maybe Lila Beauty. I'm just gonna say Lila throughout this video, and let's just hope that I'm correct. They were actually on sale just recently. So that is why I have another haul for you guys. We are gonna be doing just a mini haul in this video because this is what I have right now, and it's not much, but it's a lot of my usuals. Before we get started, I did just want to say a quick massive thank you to everyone who's already subscribed to my channel. We are now at over 800 subscribers, and I know that might not be a lot, but it is actually a lot. 800 people, over 800 people. My channel grows quite slowly, but I am super happy about each new subscriber that I get. Like if I get a notification, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm just really excited. So thank you so much. So if you have requests for videos that you would like to see on my channel, then definitely please leave them in the comment section down below. So like I said, this video is going to be a beauty haul video. If you would like to find out what I bought from Lila Beauty, then definitely keep on watching. Welcome back. So we do have a very small box for today, and let's see what's inside. I actually kind of forgot what I purchased. I for sure know that it's mostly my essentials. Okay, here we go. The box from Lila Beauty came in this packaging with some bubble wrap around it to keep the beauty skincare products protected. So first off, I definitely did not purchase these, but they gave me some freebies. This first one is the Tea Tree Cleansing Water from a brand called Benton. My camera doesn't really autofocus. I'm just gonna hope that it's focused right now. But it says on the back, it says, use this cleansing water as a makeup remover or a morning cleanser. Really, literally like a sample pack. Maybe you'll have 1 or 2 uses out of this. Another freebie that I got is this one. Very small. It's called From Green Cleansing Oil. It is from a brand called Purito. This is an olive oil-based facial cleansing oil that removes makeup, impurities, and sunscreen. Mild enough for all skin types. It's a daily wash-off cleanser. I'm probably not gonna use this right now because I don't know if you guys noticed, I have lash extensions on, and my lash artist was telling me to avoid oil-based products at the moment because they do tend to ruin the lash extensions. So I'm just gonna avoid that for now. But these are pretty cool that they gave me little things like that. There is a fly flying around in my video. I'm so sorry. I just don't know how to get rid of it. Okay, now moving on to the actual items that I purchased from Lila Beauty. And the first one, you might have already seen this in my Amazon haul, is this CosRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Now this cleanser is a holy grail for me. My skin absolutely loves this. My skin has no issues whenever I use this. I find that when I switch cleansers, that my skin tends to act up sometimes, especially if I've not used that brand before. I'm not sure if that's just a normal thing that skin does when it interacts with a new product, but when I first used this, my skin was absolutely fine. I actually didn't like it the first time because I wasn't sure. It didn't feel like it was doing enough cleansing, but then I realized that maybe I was using harsher facial cleansers before, and so when this came around, I think my skin actually started clearing up and just started, you know, I didn't get as many breakouts. I currently have one right now, but just because I haven't been using this, I ran out of it. Anyway, holy grail, this low pH formula works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. It's great for a morning wash. And I think that's what I was talking about earlier with previous cleansers I've used before, feeling differently than this. And maybe that's why, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. My skin likes this is what I'm trying to say. So it likes it so much that I actually got 2 of them. It was on sale on Lila Beauty. I will put all of the links down below, as well as Amazon links, if in case you want to purchase through Amazon. Second item that I got, another COSRX product. I have not tried this before. This one is called the... Okay, there's no English translation at the back. This one is called the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask from COSRX. If you've not tried this out before, welcome to the club. I haven't either, but I saw it on the website and it had so many positive reviews that I wanted to try it out for myself. The directions say that after rinsing and toning, apply this evenly across your face and leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. So it's a leave on face mask. That's what the name is. Overnight spa mask. Megan, you're not listening. This mask provides intensive nourishment with deep moisture and brightening. Actually, it's something that I need lately because the weather right now is a bit weird. It's been raining and then sunny, and it's a bit dry. My skin's starting to dry up a bit, so I have been looking for a mask to try out because I haven't been using face masks in like the last year since we moved here. It comes in this squeeze bottle. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. Let me just show you how it looks because I have no idea either. All right, so it's this, if you're able to see it. And as it says on the instructions, it is an overnight mask. So it's meant to be kept on your face overnight and then you wash it off in the morning. It's very lightweight. I mean, I only put on a little bit. The smell is very light as well. You can barely smell anything. And let me just quickly go back to the cleanser and just show you what it looks like. So the cleanser is clear. So even just by how it looks very lightweight, and it absolutely is. That's how it looks like. Those are the 2 COSRX products that I purchased off of Lila Beauty. Again, the links will be down below if you are interested. Okay, so the next item that I got from Lila Beauty is an eyebrow pencil. This is the drawing eyebrow from Etude House. Now, Etude House is also in the Philippines, so if you were there, then you are familiar with this brand. I think they are a Korean makeup brand. Yes, they are. I've already used this before. However, I don't remember if I ended up liking it or not. Pretty sure I did. But as I was already on the Lila Beauty website and I saw it, I thought I'd give it a go again, as I am running out of brow product. I'm currently just using 2 random eye pencils. So for this color, oh, it does not say what I got, but I'm pretty sure I got like a gray brown or something like that. I didn't want the brown because sometimes it tends to look a bit reddish on my face and it doesn't suit me. In terms of the packaging, Etude House's eyebrow pencil comes with a brush on one side and you have this pencil on the other side. I'm just gonna see if I could show you guys. Not sure if you could really see that. It requires a bit of a few strokes, more than a few strokes, but that's how it looks like. And I think it might be, yeah, it doesn't look as reddish. It doesn't have a red undertone. I think it has a bit more of a cool undertone, which I prefer. I think I remember what my issue was with this product. If I drew on the eyebrows a bit too just heavily, I push on the pen a bit too much, it breaks, and I think that's why I stopped buying it, but I don't know. We'll just see. We'll use it again and just see how we go. It does come in different shades as well, so if you want to check them out. And lastly, for this very, very, very mini beauty haul, I have face masks again. First one that you saw from COSRX was an overnight face mask, and it's a cream consistency, whereas these ones are more face mask sheet. I think I was trying to get the free shipping, so I just added on random face masks. But I need them anyway. As I was saying, my face is starting to dry up, so I decided to try out these two. These are from a brand called Apu, or maybe Apo. Apu. This is why I'm not gonna be a beauty vlogger. Apu. I don't know. It's just the end of the day. I'm done. But anyway, these are the last two products that I got. So from them, I chose the coffee milk 1-pack face mask and the strawberry milk 1-pack face mask. I think they're really cute, and if you want to gift your girlfriends or guy friends with any face masks, I think these are really cute to give. They come with just one sheet in each packaging, as most of these sheet masks do when they come in this type of packaging. So for the coffee one, I chose it because it says anti-wrinkle. It's kind of like anti-aging. We're aging up in here, so I need to look after. The strawberry one, it says here, formulated with strawberry fruit extract, it helps make skin look brighter. Each flavor has a different purpose. They actually had maybe, I don't know, 5-10 flavors, but I just chose these two. So that is it for my Lila Beauty haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was very short and just a few products to show you, but I definitely encourage you to check out the website if you haven't yet. I'm definitely going to be visiting that website again and shopping for more products. I saw a couple of products that I did use before that I would like to purchase eventually again. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And also leave a comment down below for other videos that you would like to see on my channel. Again, my name is Megan, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!